I need a vacation.
Right now?
No, I can't take a vacation right now, but I can plan one.
When can you take a vacation?
In about 4 months.
Good. Plan early. Maybe you can get some good deals.
Yes, I'm looking forward to my vacation. I love travel.
So do I.
I can do so many things on vacation.
I know. You can go to cities and visit museums.
Or I can go to the beach.
Yes. You can also eat good food or take a class and learn something.
Or I could walk or bike or climb mountains.
How can you decide?
I don't know.
What month is 4 months from now?
August. That is a good time for the beach.
Or the mountains. But many people travel in August. Places are crowded.
Right. So I won't visit famous sites.
Consider the weather and your interests, then decide.
I can't forget one thing.
What's that?
Money. Travel can be expensive.
Come in.
Hi, Carol. I want to talk to you about my vacation.
Okay. When do you want to take one?
In August, I have 1 week of vacation time.
You do. Where do you want to go?
Maybe I'll go to an island and relax on the beach.
That would be nice. A week is enough time to do that.
Or I might do something else. I don't know.
You could go on a tour. Those are fun.
No, I like to travel alone or with friends.
You could take a cruise.
No thanks. I like to cook, so I thought about doing that on vacation.
Learn to cook on vacation? That's an excellent idea.
Yes, several countries offer cooking vacations.
That sounds fun.
Yes, but I also thought about a volunteer vacation.
What's that?
On volunteer vacations, you go somewhere and help people.
Oh, you can do volunteer work like teach children or build houses.
Right.
What a wonderful idea.
Yes, but to do that, I'd like one thing.
What's that?
A longer vacation.